Have you ever wondered why, even after eating healthy and exercising, your focus, your memory, and your energy still seem to fade after 60? Well, what if I told you that one common morning habit, something millions of people do every single day, might actually be speeding up brain aging? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn what it is, why it happens, and most importantly, how to reverse it starting today. Let's start with what most seniors never question: their morning drink. Coffee, tea, or that fancy energy boost mix that claims to wake you up. But here's the shocking truth. Studies from major universities like Johns Hopkins and Stanford now show that excessive caffeine after age 60 can drain vital nutrients your brain desperately needs: magnesium, vitamin B6, and essential neurotransmitters. When these levels drop, your brain cells can't communicate properly. That means slower thinking, poor recall, and yes, that frustrating brain fog that makes you feel older than you are. You see, after 60, your body metabolizes caffeine much slower. So that single morning cup stays in your system for hours, raising cortisol, the stress hormone, and blocking deep REM sleep later that night. Poor sleep, lower brain repair. Over time, this constant cycle silently ages your brain faster than almost anything else. And yet, no one talks about it, because caffeine is marketed as a health booster. But for aging adults, it's more like a slow leak draining your mental battery. Here's how to tell if caffeine overload is already hurting your brain. You wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. You need more coffee to feel normal. You forget simple words or lose focus easily. You feel anxious, restless, or notice shaky hands mid-morning. If that sounds familiar, your brain is telling you something, and the good news, you can fix it fast. Step 1. Cut caffeine slowly. Don't go cold turkey. Just reduce it by half every few days. Replace your second cup with green tea or warm lemon water. Step 2. Feed your neurons. Start your morning with a mix of brain-recharging foods: 1 boiled egg, choline for memory, a handful of walnuts, omega-3s for focus, a pinch of turmeric or cinnamon, anti-inflammatory. Step 3. Hydrate your brain. Drink a full glass of water before your coffee. Dehydration makes caffeine twice as damaging. Step 4. Add movement. A quick 5-minute walk or stretch right after waking up boosts oxygen to the brain more than caffeine ever could. Step 5. The 10-minute recharge. After breakfast, sit quietly, no phone, no noise, and take 10 slow breaths. This resets your cortisol, giving your brain space to recover and focus. Within just 1 week of changing your morning habit, you'll notice clearer focus, less anxiety, better sleep, sharper recall. Your brain will literally start repairing itself. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to regrow and reconnect cells at any age. And yes, it happens even after 70 or 80, when you give your brain the right environment. According to Dr. Lisa Mosconi, author of Brain Food, your morning ritual has the power to either preserve or destroy brain performance. Her research found that caffeine before breakfast increases inflammation markers linked to memory decline. But people who replaced it with hydrating, nutrient-rich foods showed improved brain scans in just 30 days. So, the next time you reach for that mug, remember, it's not about giving up coffee forever. It's about freeing your brain from dependency and letting your natural energy return. Because your best years don't end at 60. They begin when your mind is clear, calm, and strong. So start tomorrow morning. Replace 1 cup, fuel your brain, and watch how your focus transforms. And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who might need it too. You could be the reason they protect their brain for life.